Hey guys, hope everyone is having a great night. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about a special shampoo and conditioner that I purchased maybe a year ago, and it's definitely lasted me for a while. So I used to have Hotheads extensions in my hair. For those of you who don't know what they are, they're not like tape-in extensions, but I think that's like the best way I can describe them is there's like a special glue on them, and someone who specializes in Hotheads hair extensions puts them in your hair for you. So with that being said, so that the glue doesn't get loose and you have the best protection possible with your hair, Hotheads shampoo and conditioner are the best things to use to get the most and longest amount of time with the Hotheads in your hair, because they do become loose after a while and you do have to get them re-put back in. So for me, like I think they last like 6 months, and like you're supposed to get them like taped in, like, I'm sorry, I think they can last a year, and like after 6 months you could get them re-taped. But for me, I'm just like, you're really not supposed to wash your hair a lot, and I always did. So because of that, they didn't last as long as I wanted them to, unfortunately. So I think I got them put in like beginning of October, and by like the end of December I had to re-tape them in. But I didn't do that. I just ended up using the solvent. So I'm really happy. You know, of course, it's like it would have lasted longer if I would have used, or I'm sorry, if I wouldn't have washed and conditioned my hair so much. But I'm really glad that I did have the Hotheads shampoo and conditioner, because they're specially for Hotheads hair extensions. They just clean them the best, and if you guys do have any kind of extensions at all, I definitely recommend you buy these instead of using just a regular shampoo and conditioner, which could strip whatever is in the extensions. So these are both 8-ounce containers. They come as a set with the shampoo and the conditioner. For some reason I am like out of the shampoo, and I still have a little bit of the conditioner left. So the shampoo ran out quicker for me. So let me read you this so you could get a little bit of a better idea. The clean shampoo gently cleanses hair without stripping hair of vital nutrients, and extending the life and appearance of second hair, hair extensions, and chemically processed hair. Directions: apply to wet hair and scalp, lather, rinse, and repeat. Follow with Hothead Smooth Conditioner or Hydrate Deep Conditioning Mask. Rinse thoroughly. Avoid eye contact. If contact occurs, rinse immediately with water. For external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Sulfate and paraben free. Ingredients. We have the ingredients listed. No animal testing, which is perfect. Distributed by International Designs Corporation in Pembroke Park, Florida, 33023. The website is hotheads.com. There's a number you could call if you have questions, and this product is made in the USA. Bottle is recyclable. One of the things I love most about this product, first of all, it's easy to open. It snaps open, but the smell, the way that it smells is wonderful, because it's not like too much. It's just like a slight like floral scent, and I love it. I absolutely love the way it smells. And then the scent actually like stays in your hair rather than, you know, like in a few hours like running out. It actually stays nice. So this is the smooth conditioner. Smooths, detangles, nourishes, and adds shine to second hair, hair extensions, and chemically processed hair, making it more manageable. Directions: shampoo hair with clean shampoo. Rinse thoroughly. Apply smooth conditioner from mid shaft to ends. Leave in 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can rinse it out. Avoid eye contact. If contact occurs, rinse immediately with water. For external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Sulfate and paraben free. Also no animal testing on here. And then, I don't want to like butcher the words for you guys, so I'm just going to read a few ingredients out for you. Aqua, cetyl alcohol, deacetylzonium chloride, cetrimonium chloride, keratin amino acids, sorbitan, glycerin, sodium, PCA, lauryl alcohol, keratin amino acids. So shea butter, coconut oil, hydrolyzed silk, and then the top is easy to open again. Snaps open, and it's like a nice white color. This is the conditioner. It's like pretty thick, not oily or greasy at all. And like I said, it smells absolutely wonderful. Love the way that this smells. So if you guys have any extensions, second hair, chemically processed hair, I definitely think you guys should check out Hotheads Smooth Conditioner and Clean Shampoo because I think they're such excellent products. Love them, and I will be reordering these. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope that you guys try out the product, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great night.